Taking matters into their own hands, the Hynniewtrep Youth Council evicted and dismantled the houses of alleged illegal settlers at Lum Survey area of Shillong in Meghalaya on May 23. Many from the organization marched down the streets, shouting slogans that translates to "March forward, soldiers of the state." This prompted several shopkeepers from Mothphran leading to Lum Survey, mostly non-tribals, down their shutters. Members of the HYC were also seen ordering the shop owners to close down their shops. The youth organization members then went on to dismantle several makeshift houses in the area. HYC also brought an excavator. They, however, did not put it to use. The move comes after the HYC on May 2 had served a week's ultimatum to the government to carry out a spot inquiry and verification and evict the illegal settlers from Lum Survey. On April 25, HYC inspected the site and after their findings expressed concern over the alleged illegal settlement of over 100 families.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.